Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick demo and a little bit of update on the studios from JBL Studio 630s. I've had them for a few days now. Been trying to break them in. Update, these speakers are very good, a little bright sometimes. Good imaging, good sound stage. They're good. They're not fatiguing, but there's some music. The thing about these speakers, if you throw bad recording at it, that's what you're gonna get out of it. If you throw good recordings, good tracks, you're gonna get an amazing sound. But there's still little time for them to break in. Little info on them. They are a 6.5-inch polyplast woofer in a ported enclosure for engaging mid-range and deep bass, and I do feel that, I mean, even though I'm running the subwoofer with them, they do have good bass. It's a 1-inch compression driver or high definition imaging, waveguide technology for detailed sound across a wide listening area. So that's the horn, or as they say, a high definition imaging waveguide. The frequency response is from 45 hertz to 40,000 hertz, so that's pretty high. I mean, nobody really hears past 40, past 20. Sensitivity level, that's the thing about these speakers, you got to give them some powers. They're 85 dBs. The impedance is 6 ohms. There are 6 ohm speakers, and they can handle up to 150 watts. It doesn't tell you what continuance would be. I figure, of course, you're not going to throw 150 watts at these speakers and just run them like that. The binding posts, I think they could have did a better job on that. But anyways, they work. The grills are magnetic, and the grills do look nice on the speakers. They weigh about 20 pounds each, so they're very well built, and they have a 5-year warranty. So anyways, let's get this party rolling here. I'm going to play Latin jazz today, and it's a song called Picadillo from Arturo O'Farrill and the Afro Latin Jazz Orchestra. This artist here won a 2009 Grammy winner for his Latin jazz album. And here we go. Picadillo from Arturo Ofaril. And those are JBL's Studio 630. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Thank you.